Hey everyone, looking to manage your money online? Opening a Skrill account is quick and easy. Let's get it started. First of all, go to Skrill's official website at skrill.com and download the Skrill app from your app store. After that, click on the register button to start creating your account. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and fill in your personal information such as your name, country, and currency. Check your email for a verification link from Skrill. Click on the link to verify your email address. Log in to your account and add your payment method, such as a bank account or card, to make transactions. For security, Skrill may require you to verify your identity. Upload a valid ID and follow the instructions. And that's it. You're all set to use Skrill for sending, receiving, and storing money securely. Thanks for watching.